and welcome. Today I'm going to try some facial wax on my eyebrows and the sides of my face. I just want to try and save some money in the long run from getting my brows waxed. I bought the little facial warming pot from Glamour here in Australia. So please keep watching, and I'll do a talk through as I'm doing the motions. Thanks, bye. Here I'm just using the cleansing solution to clean off the area, and I was supposed to use a oil that comes in a little bottle in the box, but I forgot on the eyebrows, but I do use it later. And the kit also comes with a little spatula. Now, I've never waxed before, so this is quite an experience for me. So I'm a little bit scared, so I'm trying a bit of wax on my arm first to see if it really hurts before I start putting it on my eyes. But I think I touch it in a minute here, so I get a little bit brave when I realise it's not scorching hot. Sorry for the darkness in the background. The room is actually well lit by the ceiling light, but because I don't have any special lighting or microphone or anything, sometimes it looks really dark. So if I'm going to continue to do videos, I'll have to get some equipment, I think, when I can afford it. In this time of the plague, it's a bit difficult. And so here, when I've pulled it off, it didn't actually pull any hairs off, and I realised that I pulled in the direction of the hair growth. So when I'm about to put it on here, I'm going to pull in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I found the wax a bit tricky at first because, well, obviously it's hot wax, so it's, sticky and it dangles down when you put it onto the spatula. But I've realised that if I twirl it round, it stops that long tail from forming, because I was frightened it would get in my eyes. So obviously that worked, because I was pulling in the opposite direction of the hair growth. I think that one must have hurt a little bit, or I was just excited that it worked. I'm not sure there. From Glamour, I also bought an eyebrow tint, and I think that worked quite well. I hadn't had my eyebrows waxed for a while because we were in isolation. So there's quite a bit of hair there. Little fine blonde hairs. Like, looking at me, you probably wouldn't see them, but when I went to put eyeshadow on, it all showed up. I'm getting a little bit more confident here. I was so scared at first to either one, burn myself, or two, rip the end of the tail of my eyebrow off, because I don't have much out there on the tail. I would love to get microblading. Oh, that one hurt. I do this for my husband as well. I tried it on myself, and then I did it on his eyebrows, just in the centre part there, and it worked really well. He was very brave. dear, this is not the good part. For me anyway, it's probably quite entertaining watching it. This was the pre-waxing oil that they said to put on, that I forgot to put on my eyebrows. So I put it on here, but you'll see when I go to apply the wax, it wouldn't stick. So I don't know what I did wrong there. Maybe I put too much on, but then I'll wipe it off and it's okay to use. It's quite a good little set. I'm not sure if I told you how much it cost. I think it was $45 from Glamour Co. I'm in Brisbane in Queensland, Australia, so it was $45 Australian. It was a pretty good kit. You get the little pot, 2 or 3 of the wax pots to go inside, and you got a pre-waxing oil, a cleanser, and a soothing solution. And I can feel what's coming up here. That was so painful. I'm crying. It was so painful. I've never got my upper lip or sides of my face waxed in a beauty salon before, so I've never experienced this level of sharp pain. I didn't expect it. I thought it would just be like my eyebrows. Oh, it hurt. Oh, yes, I'm scared here. Look how big that looks. Oh, gosh. Yeah, some of that pre-waxing oil didn't stick to it. Ooh. everyone. It's the next day, well actually it's a couple of days later. My camera lost the video footage of the end of the film. I just wanted to tell you what I thought of the waxing pot. I really enjoyed it and I will continue to use it. I'm just letting you know I don't think it's suitable for underarms or any private areas because I'm not sure if the wax gets hot enough. I did try it, but it wasn't a success. I will use it again because it did work really well on my eyebrows. Even though it hurt, as you can see in the video, that's just normal with waxing. So it's certainly nothing to do with the product, it's just me being a bit of a sook. But I will use it again, and thanks very much for watching. Bye!